The months started going by. Everybody's eagerness was increasing and increasing. The Mahatmas came to know that Bhagavan's avatar is going to happen. So they started congregating in Ayodhya. The number of saints in Ayodhya increased. They took residence on the banks of the Saryu, anticipating, awaiting the descent of the avatar. Finally, the auspicious month of Chaitra came. This Chaitra Mas, one Tithi started increasing. The Devi Devtas also were aware that Bhagavan is going to take avatar. They were also taking their places. Out there, Saryu Nadi started swelling. Saryu is the river that goes by Ayodhya. Somebody asked Saryu, what is the reason you are increasing? If in Bhado Mas there is a flood, it's understandable. How come in Chaitra Mas there is this flood taking place? Saryu said, this is not flood, this is Ahlad, my happiness, which is manifesting in this swelling. Now in the Shukla Paksh, one Tithi started going by until the auspicious Navami Tithi came. Surya Devta started rising. Surya Devta is delighted because in my dynasty, Bhagavan is going to take avatar. Out here, Brahmaji instructed to the Devi Devtas. He said, look, it should not be announced that Bhagavan has come. Bhagavan comes without announcing in a Gupta manner. So people don't know that he is Bhagavan unless they are qualified. So you all go. He sent the Devatas off. Surya was going higher and higher and higher until the Madhyan Tithi, the Madhyan time was about to arrive, the middle of the day. At that time, a wonderful breeze started blowing. The Brahmins, they do their Sandhya 3 times. The morning, at dawn, evening at dusk, and at midday. So they had half immersed themselves in the river to do the Sandhya, and they had taken their sacred thread around their hand, and they had started reciting the Gayatri Mantra as a part of the Sandhya. All of a sudden, the Yajna Kunds, they lighted up. And as the sun came right in the center, Bhai Prakati Kripala Deena Dayala Kaushalya Hipatari Harshit Matari Muni Manahari Adbhut Rupa Vichari Lotan Abhiyama Thadugad Shama Vij Ayat Bujtai Bhushan Vanamala Nayana Vichar Shobha Sindhu Kharari. Kaushalya's womb became empty and Bhagavan manifested. Not as a little baby, but as the 4-armed Vishnu. And he gave darshan to Kaushalya. So Kaushalya saw, this is Bhagavan himself. Kaushalya understood that he is not my child. Same thing happened in Krishna avatar as well. See, some people say that does Bhagavan come out from the stomach? But Sri Krishna is saying in the Gita, Janma karma cha me divyam. Arjun, my janm is divine. I am not born like children are born in the world from mother and father. What is the need for Bhagavan to hang upside down in the stomach for 9 months? There is absolutely no need. So the Bhagavatam says, Mana Anakadunduve. First of all, Bhagavan came in the mind of Vasudev. And then, after that, he transferred himself to the heart of Devaki. But by his Yoga Maya, he kept on increasing the stomach. Just like a worldly mother would feel, oh, the baby is growing bigger and bigger. And finally, when he manifested, in Krishna Avatar also, he came as Chaturbhuj Vishnu. And Devaki said, Maharaj, I know you are Bhagavan. Rupam yattat prahuram yaktamadyam brahma jyotir nirgunam nirvikaram sattva matram nirvishesham diviyam sattvam sakshat vishnuradhyatmadipa. You are Vishnu himself, the master of the universe. And I also know why you have come. In my last life, I had prayed, please Bhagavan, come as my child. That's why you have come. But you have not come as a child, you have come as my father. In the 6-foot form. Now if I see you like this, how will I ever think you are my child? So Devaki prays, Upasangara Vishvatman Nadorupamalaukikam. Maharaj, hide this form and do your Leela. So the same 6-foot Vishnu became a little child. The same thing repeats out here. Actually, that repeats because this happened first. So, Mata Puni Boli Somati Doli Ajahu Tataya Rupa Ki Jai Shishulila Ati Priya Shila Yah Sukha Paramalupa Suni Yachan Surana Godan Thana Jai Palak Surpupa Ya Charita Jogamai Haripad Pavai Yena Parahi Bhavakupa. So that 6-foot Vishnuji said, look, I only came to show you so that there should be no confusion. It should be clear that I have become your child, it's only a Leela. But my birth is divine. And that is when Bhagavan manifested as Balaram. Boliye Shri Ramachandra Bhagwan ki. Now, the news of the birth of Ram was conveyed to Dashrath. Dashrath came running, and when he looked at Ramji in his Bal Swarup, with his bluish complexion, Dashrath felt as if he could offer his tan man pran on his little baby. He instructed all the residents of Ayodhya, let us have a celebration. Now, when the instruction was conveyed, the news came that Kaikeyi had also got a child. So the joy of the people increased further. And in the meantime, the news came that Sumitra has got 2 children. Now nobody could contain themselves. So all the Avadvasis, they started dancing, celebrating,